Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be unboxing the Allure beauty box today. I am actually on a quick break from work. Hadn't checked my mail in a while and this was in it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. I'm also gonna try to do this quick because I also need to eat. Here it is. That's what it looks like when you first open it. So in here you have, again, like the products, and it tells you about each product. So it's a little magazine. You open it up and this is what's inside. So the first thing, as always, I think last time there was a coupon too. This is $30 off your next order at britawatch.com. They're probably expensive watches. They look really nice, but anyway, that's that. And this box actually smells amazing, like a spa. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is this Ico London liquid eyeliner in black. So we got a liquid liner in our other box as well, but it was from L'Oreal. First impressions, it's actually really smooth when you put it on and really pigmented. So, and the tip actually moves around. I think the L'Oreal one was like stiff. Actually, the price is $22 at Ulta. And our box is only $15 a month, so that's amazing. The next thing in here is actually a Nexxus Carafix Damage Healing Shampoo, silicone free, protein infusion with keratin protein and black rice with severely damaged hair, which my hair actually is, because I've been coloring my hair since I was like 14, I think, yeah. 14, so ignore my hair today. It's actually, I didn't have time to style it before work and I was in a rush, so, but yeah. So this is like a little sample size of the Nexxus one. The price of this is $12.99 for the shampoo, the full price. The next thing in here, so you actually get the conditioner, the shampoo and conditioner. Little sizes, travel sizes, I would say. So this is the conditioner for severely damaged hair. These are the ones that smell really good. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm so excited to try these in the shower and wash my hair. Oh, it smells so good. I can't even describe the smell. It's like a spa, fresh, kind of sweet smell. Okay, next thing in here is this Laritzi Cosmetics Light Sticks Illuminator. Let's see. Cruelty-free, I can't speak, guys. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. So that's good. That is definitely always a plus in makeup. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's just like a stick like that. And I guess it's an illuminator. Let's read about it. So I'm guessing like a highlighter. Okay, so Laritzi Cosmetics Light Sticks in Halo. There are about 1 billion highlighters to choose from, and at least 3 more have launched since you opened this box. Great. You can find prismatic blue shades and ones with glitter chunks so ginormous you can see them from the International Space Station. But sometimes you just want a classic champagne highlighter to perk up your skin. One you can put on in 10 seconds, no contouring or strobing required. Enter this shimmering stick from Laritzi. You may not have heard of the brand. I actually haven't. As highlighter gets, my English is great. It's got a nice subtle sheen without being shiny. The stick swipes on easily without skipping or tugging, and the creamy formula is easy to blend. Sweep it across your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your chin, then give it a few taps to soften the edges. So the price of this is $24. Seems pretty, like a pretty good size. Like if this is not full size, then I can't imagine what the full size looks like. I mean, it looks like the thing in the picture. Next thing in here is a Caudalie, which I love this brand. So it's hydrating sorbet. So yeah, it's just like a lightweight hydrating moisturizer, which the full price is $39, and you do have a promo code that you can use until December 31st on here, so that's exciting. But yeah, I'm excited to try this little moisturizer out. And the last thing in here is a Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask, which from Laneige, am I saying that right? Laneige. And I'm super excited about this actually, because my lips are always chapped. Like I cannot have non-chapped lips to save my life. So this is what this looks like. Okay, this interesting little box. Oh, this smells so good. Everything in this box smells so good. It's kind of like a sorbet, sort of. It's to use overnight, and it says it makes your lips softer overnight, and then it also gives you a soft shine and pretty tint for daytime. So that's exciting. And that's it, guys. That's everything in this box. If you guys like the box, and if you do want to get your own box, I will leave a link down below so you guys can go ahead and follow that link and subscribe. Yeah, I guess subscribe to the box. Get your own subscription. And I think they always have some deals. Like, I think they kept sending me like, get your first box for $8, get your first box for $5. So there's always a great starting deal for these boxes, but they are $15 a month. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.